Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of an acrylic plastic wrap dispenser with 3 sliding cutters. Has a side magnetic access panel we're going to show. Allows you to organize your aluminum foil, parchment paper, plastic wrap, and wax paper. Works on anything that's 12-inch size. So I'm going to be trying it with my aluminum foil heavy duty and some wax paper and some plastic wrap. So it doesn't matter what brand you have, it has to be 12 inches. It allows you to pull it over and cut it. Now it comes with some screws and some drywall anchors, because on the back of the unit you can install it using these holes right there if you want to put it on a wall. So while I'm on the side here, let's take a look. Show you right here. You can see it has magnets on there. You just open this up like that. It only works one way. If you put it the other way, it won't hold it in place. But that's nice. It's got really strong magnets. It's a really nice piano shiny acrylic material on there, and it's very rigid. It doesn't have any flex in it, which is nice. And they did label it plastic foil and wax, but you could use whatever you like that's 12 inches or less in size. So we're going to load this up and give it a try. So here I have it all loaded up. I got the wax paper on the bottom right here. Got the wax paper on the bottom right here. Put that over like that. Cut it nicely. And then aluminum foil. Just like that. And then you have the plastic wrap. Cuts it really easily. So that's nice. So you can be organized in a drawer or on your wall, wherever you want to have this. Have that easy access panel on the side right there. Nice product. It's got a nice weight to it, and as I mentioned, this is very rigid piano shiny plastic on here that they used, and it seems really high quality. So after testing this, what do I think about this product? I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section. Please use those links to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.